I'm going to show you something called the Weber's looping pliers. These pliers here are designed just for wrapping loops, and they're engineered for 20 gauge wire. And 20 gauge is probably the most common gauge for wrapping loops. These are made just for that. Now, I've got my 20 gauge wire, and I'm going to hold my looping pliers in my non-dominant hand. And I like to hold them where this flat part of the jaw is perpendicular to the ground or parallel with my body. And I'll put my wire, and I'm going to just put my wire in, give it a gentle squeeze, just like that. You can see it makes it into an angle. And then I'm going to, with the flat part parallel to my body, I just pull down like that. And what it looks like, if you look at it from the side, is just like that. Now that's the first step. I want to make the loop very round. So I open the jaws and just slip this over just a tad. And now I'm going to take my chain nose pliers, grab the very end, and cross it over on top up to where it's next to the jaw. And now I'm ready to wrap the neck of my bead wrap. And you can see I'm doing half turns, and I'm holding the wire right by the very end. And the reason I do the half turns and then regrip it is because I can guide where the wire goes very easily that way. Where if I just kept going in a constant movement, it would not only bend up the end of my wire, it would be harder to control what I'm doing. Now I'm going to take my cutters and trim. Now I've got my first loop, and you can see it's centered and it looks very nice.